Welcome to True Assistive Technology. Today we are here to demonstrate the use of Portable Split-Ramp. Portable Split-Ramp is an innovative solution designed to provide accessibility for wheelchair users and individuals with mobility challenges. Consisting of two separate sections, this ramp allows for easy storage and deployment. Constructed from lightweight aluminum, it ensures easy handling while its robust design supports significant weight. The split designs offer versatility in various settings including doorways, steps, offices and public spaces. Now let's look at the features of the portable split ramp. Foldability. The ramp folds for easy transportation and storage, making it convenient to carry it in a vehicle or store when not in use. Lightweight. This ramp is made from aluminium and hence it is very easy to lift or handle. Versatility. This ramp is suitable for use in various locations such as doorways, steps, offices and public spaces, hence providing accessibility whenever needed. The portable split ramp can be used in places where there are 3 to 4 stairs with a vertical height of 24 inches. Adaptability. The portable split ramp is made of two sections and hence it becomes very easy to adjust the width between these two ramps based on the wheelchair used. Easy setup. Designed for a quick and tool-free setup, this ramp allows hassle-free use in various settings. Anti-skid surface. The portable split ramp features a non-slip surface to ensure traction and safety even in wet or slippery condition. Weight bearing capacity. Designed to support up to 250 kgs, this ramp accommodates a wide range of user needs. Accessibility. The split ramp combines practicality with safety to enhance mobility and accessibility in multiple environments. Weather resistant. Manufactured from high quality and weather resistant materials, this ramp can be used indoors or outdoors without a risk of rust or corrosion. Now let's talk about the dimensions. The total length of each of this ramp is 6.6 feet and when folded the length is 3.4 feet. The width of each of this ramp is 6 inches, ensuring that most of the wheelchairs can be used on this. The weight of each of this ramp is 7.5 kgs, making it 15 kgs together. The weight bearing capacity of the portable split ramp is 250 kgs. The portable split ramp also comes with a velcro strap which helps in securing it when it's folded and not in use. The portable split ramp does not require any kind of maintenance. As you see, the ramp can fold for easy transportation and storage, making it convenient to carry it in a vehicle or store when not in use. The portable split ramp comes with a warranty of 1 year for the design functioning. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more updates.